The summons required you to deal with the allegations that IDEC operates outside its mandate, which is prescribed by Section 7, Sub 1, Sub A of the NPA Act. That was the allegation you were invited to respond to. So you do that at paragraph 9. And if you can deal with that.
Ms. Law, exactly what I was about to talk about. The statement. I wanted to know if there's any particular reason why you are not flighting this today.
No, that's. But what we are flighting are his responses.
Yes, that's what I'm referring to.
Chair.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you. Colonel, we are now at your paragraph 9 in response to paragraph 2.1. Of the subpoena that I've just read into the record. So you may read your response there too.
IDEC, Chair, Commissioners, IDEC operates strictly within its mandate. That mandate is set out in Section 7.1a of the NPA Act as amended. To further on 7.1a, the Act provides for, if I could just read it out, the mandate of IDEC. It relates to serious, high-profile, complex corruption, commercial and financial crime cases arising out of commissions referred to IDEC by the National Director of Public Prosecution in terms of Section 28. And then you have Section 27 referrals. And these relate to offenses, including common law offenses of fraud, forgery, uttering theft. And also it includes statutory offences in terms of Prevention of Corrupt Activities Act, PRECA, Prevention of Organised Crime Act, the Public Financial Management Act, Financial Intelligence Centre Act. It's our mandate, IDEC, is taken from this particular section with the subsections of the offences that they are authorised to investigate, both common law and statutory law.
Thank you. And looking at Section 7, Sub 1, capital A, I confirm that you have in large part summarized what the section provides.
Thank you.
Thank you. And then if we could turn to the second question under paragraph 2.2, I'll read the question. The issue into record as reflected in the subpoena, you were requested to deal with the issue as stated. I quote, IDEC has allegedly pursued a criminal case against Lieutenant General Dumisani Khumalo and other officials at Crime Intelligence in the furtherance of ongoing political interference at SAPS, close quote. So that's what's in the subpoena. You provide a response to that at your paragraph 10, page 4. So if you could read that paragraph into the record and speak to the issue raised in paragraph 2.2 of the subpoena.
Just a minute, Colonel. Please respond, Colonel.
Thank you, Chair. I deny these allegations. They are baseless and devoid of merit. The IDEC has sufficient evidence to sustain the charges on the criminal cases against Lieutenant General Khumalo and other officials at Crime Intelligence. This criminal case is currently pending before the magistrates Court, Pretoria. I deny as baseless any allegations of political interference or hidden agendas in respect of the investigations that are conducted by IDAC against these senior officers within crime intelligence and SAPS.
Is there anything you would like to add to that answer?
There is no political interference. And this I say so from my personal investigations into the matter. I've never been received any calls or placed under any undue pressure. And these investigations cannot be influenced by investigators because they are prosecution driven. There are processes in place which are managed by the prosecution team. They decide who to charge. They decide what charges.
You say who decides who to charge and what the charges will be? Who does that? I think I missed that. If you don't mind.
Maybe I must just elaborate on that.
Yes.
When a complaint comes in via a Section 27 referral, that referral is taken by the intake committee, which decides whether this falls within the mandate of IDAC, whether all the legal prescripts, everything is there. That referral is then a Section 2813. If it falls within the mandate, and if it still needs more information, a preliminary investigation in terms of Section 2813 is authorized. So from that, there's a team gets designated. That team consists of investigators, criminal investigators, financial investigators, and prosecutors, meaning your state advocates. And then leading that team, you will have a deputy director of public prosecution who's responsible for that. So in terms of prosecution, the investigators do the investigation, but in terms of the prosecution, it is guided by the prosecutors. They decide on the evidence, the investigation and evidence collected, who to charge and what to charge. It's followed by another level, which is the Deputy Director of Public Prosecutions and other senior advocates who look at the evidence to support the charges and the accused.
Did you say this one was a referral? Did you say this one was a referral?
Yes.
Thank you.
A referral. This matter came under referral in terms of Section 27 of the NPA Act. Thank you, sir.
Who referred it?
The Section 27 referral came from a Member of Parliament, Mr. Fadil Adams.
Thank you.
Just a follow-up question. Good morning, Colonel.
Good morning, Commissioner.
Was that referral in terms of Section 27, which requires that it be on oath, on affidavit, or affirmed declaration?
As far as I know, that it's an affidavit that is submitted.
You have seen it personally?
Yes, sir. I've seen it now, and it also forms part of the bundle that was handed to Council.
Thank you.
Thank you, Commissioners. Colonel, that then leads us to paragraph 2.3 of the subpoena, which required you to address, quote, allegations concerning your role in interference in criminal investigations and prosecutions, unquote.